how to add the Apple Card balance and spending wallet widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, touch and hold. Next, tap on the edit button, and from the pop-up, tap on add widget. Next, in here, we scroll down and then tap on wallet. Next in here, select Apple Card, so swipe across and select Apple Card. Then tap on add widget. Now the widget has been added to the home screen. You will need to set up your Apple Card. So here, when you tap on the widget, you can choose to display the period by weekly, monthly, or yearly. After that, tap on the done button to finish. Now, as I say, you need to set up your Apple Card account. So you need to tap on it, and then in wallet, set up your Apple Card account so that you can have the balance display on the widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.